There is one now. We are racing. We are racing to Airasia. How long is about to take off? Okay, I think the Airasia will take us later. What the? Airasia. Kind of looks like Airasia. This kind of looks like right here. Yay! Airasia is here. Yeah? Wait, where is stopping? Oh, what is that sound? Where's that sound came from? I didn't know that. I think I'm going to take off. Okay, now we're moving. Yeah, good thing we have an airplane. Pilot, take care of us, okay? Okay. Sir, can you take us? Can you take us really okay? Yeah, I know. I really love you, pilot. Don't you? Whoa, there's more of pictures. But I did see that one Airasia is black and airlines mine white. Like that. It's really fun to go in the airplane. Look at my wings. It's so giant. Did someone just crying? Baby just crying over there. That's also pilot. Not the pilot. Pilot. Yeah, I think it will take us later right now. Bro. Maybe. Okay, bye-bye. Wait. Whoa. May. It's turning. It's turning. Yeah. I think we're going to fly right now. Ready to fly. Yay. Whoa. That thing's open. Did you see that? We can see that thing is really open. Wow. That thing's open. Did you see that? Easy one. Let me just see. Oh my. Bro, did someone just crying? How is that possible?
Cabin crew be seated for takeoff.
Oh, that's the pilot's sound. Pilot's voice. Airasia. I think Airasia is very sexy. This is Airbus, not a Boeing, but Airbus. Airasia is the Airbus, it's not a Boeing. Malaysia Airlines is the Boeing, not the Airbus. Malaysia Airlines. Whoa, we're stopping. Okay, we're stopping. Okay, you're going to fly. Huh? Where are you stopping? Hi. Wait, it's getting faster. I never moving. Hang on. Oh, I think they give us a food so we can eat at the airplane. Bro, what is that Airasia thing? No. I think that is Thai Airways. No. It's Airasia. Sorry, I'm sorry. I thought that was a Thai Airways. Okay. We're going to about to fly. Okay guys, see you in the next video. We're landing at Sabah.